So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this kind of stoichiometry related questions. Some of you might have seen this particular question or maybe something related to this in your test or assignment. But yeah, let's do this. Calculate the mass of lead 2 sulfate. Lead 2 sulfate should be this PbSO4. That's lead 2 sulfate. Produced when 0.5 moles of sulfuric acid, which is this one, sulfuric acid, reacts with excess lead-2 chloride. The lead-2 chloride is this, PbCl2, that's lead-2 chloride. So it reacted with sulfuric acid, that's H2SO4, and you're asked to calculate the amount of PbSO4 that is produced. So of course, this would result in PbSO4 and alright, so let's see. Pb combines with this, right? I have PbSO4. Pretty easy. Then the H should combine with Cl as well, don't you think so? And then I would have HCl. So you see how writing the equations of reaction may be easy in some of these cases. So let's balance this, shall we? Our Cl is 2 here, so we have to put 2 here to balance our Cl, and that automatically balances our H, right? Because it's 2 on both sides. This is really nice. All right, now this question says we should determine the number of, or the mass rather, of PbSO4 formed. So what do we do? We said 0.5 moles of sulfuric acid, so here is 0.5 moles. It reacted with sulfuric acid, reacts with excess lead-2 chloride. Oh yeah, so that means this here, which is our lead-2 chloride, is excess. Good, so this is a good situation. This is our limiting reagent here, H2SO4, and we're to compare it with PbSO4 to find the mass of PbSO4 formed. Right, now from this relationship, from the equation you have, you can see that 1 mole of H2SO4 produces 1 mole of PbSO4. Yes? So that would mean that if I have 0.5 moles of H2SO4 reacting here, it should produce the same 0.5 moles of PbSO4. Okay, so that means our number of moles of PbSO4 produced will be 0.5. I hope this makes sense. So the molar mass of PbSO4 should be, let us work that out. You need to go to the periodic table to pick out the relative atomic masses of lead, sulfur, and oxygen to be able to get out the molar mass. Alright, so we could use the values from the periodic table or whichever one your teacher provides you with. 207 for lead, 32 for sulfur, and 16 for oxygen. Because of the 4 down here, I have to put the 4 there to multiply it. Okay, so doing all this, you would have 303 grams per mole. And if you have 0.5 moles, that just means that you can get the mass of PbSO4 as number of moles times molar mass. Moles is 0.5 moles already, and the molar mass is 303. So that gives you 151.5 grams, and that is the answer to the question. Alright, so I'll catch you on question 44.